Risotto with peas and mint is a fragrant spring dish, perfect for savoring the delicate flavors of the season. Here's how to prepare it. Ingredients: 350 grams of risotto rice, Carnaroli or Arborio, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 liter of hot vegetable broth, 200 grams of fresh or frozen peas, a bunch of fresh mint, 50 grams of butter, 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, extra virgin olive oil, dry white wine, salt and pepper to taste. Preparation: in a pot, sauté the chopped onion in extra virgin olive oil until translucent. Add the rice and toast it for about a minute, stirring constantly until the grains become shiny. Deglaze the rice with a splash of white wine and let the alcohol evaporate. Add the peas to the rice and start adding the vegetable broth, 1 ladle at a time. Wait for the broth to be absorbed by the rice before adding more. Continue until the rice is almost completely cooked, about 15 to 18 minutes. While the rice is cooking, finely chop the mint leaves. When the rice is al dente, remove the pot from heat and add the butter, grated Parmesan cheese, and chopped mint. Stir well to cream the risotto. Adjust for salt and pepper and let the risotto rest for a minute before serving. Did you know? Risotto with peas and mint is a great example of Italian cooking that uses the natural sweetness of peas with the fresh flavor of mint to create a balance of flavors. Moreover, it's a versatile recipe that you can personalize by adding shrimp or slices of raw ham for an extra touch of flavor. Enjoy your meal!